So, the 2023 Federal Aviation Administration knowledge test numbers are in. What are FAA knowledge tests and what do the numbers mean? If you want to get a pilot rating, you must take an FAA knowledge test. In fact, knowledge tests are also required for people wanting to become aircraft dispatchers, ground instructors, flight instructors, mechanics, parachute riggers, and even professional drone pilots. It's a rite of passage. It doesn't guarantee that you'll become a pilot, but it's a necessary step in the process. In fact, many people who pass the knowledge test still don't go on to become pilots for a variety of reasons. For people wanting to become private pilot airplane pilots, 45,820 knowledge tests were taken in 2023. In a country with nearly 332 million people, that's a tiny amount. It's something like 0.01%. But that's nothing, no pun intended. For sport pilot powered parachutes, there were only 48 tests taken. You heard that right, 48. That means that there were almost 1,000 times more private pilot airplane knowledge tests taken. So ultimately, which pilot rating is more elite? It remains true that powered parachutes are some of the most approachable and easiest aircraft to learn to fly. The problem is that you need to get good instruction. And even that isn't enough by itself. You need someone who will help shepherd you through the whole FAA process. That's where Easy Flight comes in. Easy Flight has a professional level program with custom training materials designed specifically for powered parachute students. So the question is, do you want to become a powered parachute pilot and become one of the aviation elite? If you're interested in powered parachute flight instruction in either the Midwest or in Florida, please visit the link to easyflight.com. And please remember to like and subscribe if you are interested in powered parachutes. Thanks so much for watching, and blue skies.